Today we are making keto bread, but before we get started, I'd like to remind you that all of the ingredients and all of the amounts are down in the description below, so check that out if you want to make this recipe. It's a lot easier than having to go through the whole video. So it's all there for you. Anyway, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is take your cream cheese and put it into your shredded mozzarella. Now you're gonna grab your bowl of cheese and put that in the microwave for about a minute, then take it out, give it a stir, then put it back in the microwave for another minute, and just keep repeating that process until the cheese is completely melted through. Okay, that is looking good to me. So now we are going to put this to the side and let it cool down just a fraction. And in the meantime, we're going to grab some almond flour. Then grab your baking powder, pour that in, followed by your coconut flour, add that in there as well. Now take your whisk and whisk it all together. Okay, now that our cheese is cooled down a bit, we're going to take our eggs and pour it straight in there, then mix it with our hands. Ooh, makes a very interesting sound. Slush, slush, slush. Slush, slush, slush. All right, so we're just going to really incorporate the egg with this cheese. It's going to really combine nicely. It shouldn't be watery or anything. It really should mix together quite well. So this should be kind of the consistency of like a really soft slime. Done. Now what we're gonna do is take our dry mixture and add that into our cheesy mix slowly, very, very slowly. And we're still using our hands at this point, so just kind of go for it. Woo. We're just adding in handfuls at a time. That's it. Keep working it, keep incorporating it all together till it makes a dough. I know bread is one of the most craved items when people are on keto, but I'm curious, what is your most craved kind of food item that you wish you could have? Now I'm just gonna squish it all down, really make sure that it's fully incorporated. We still have some of that almond flour that hasn't fully gotten mixed into our dough just yet, so let's knead that a little bit. Okay. My arms are killing me. I need to work a little harder in the gym, I think. So I grabbed some parchment paper and a sheet pan. I'm just gonna put that down and I'm going to grab my dough ball and I'm gonna make kind of like a small baguette shape. So it should be like that. But a smaller one. We're not gonna do a huge, long baguette. When it is in the desired shape you'd like, we're gonna transfer that over to our sheet pan. Give it one last shape. Now we are going to take our egg wash. So you literally crack an egg into a bowl, whisk it up. You can add a little milk if you want to, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna do this. And we're going to just baste it with this egg wash. This is gonna help it have kind of a goldeny brown texture on the top. I went ahead and preheated my oven to 180 degrees, which is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I'm going to place this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, or 20 to 30 minutes really. It depends what kind of oven you have. Just keep an eye on it. You want it to have a golden brown outside. Once it gets golden brown, take it out of the oven because it does kind of burn easily, so keep an eye on it. All right, let's go ahead and put this in the oven right now. The bread is done. It smells amazing. It's got a nice crispy outside, but a soft, fluffy inside. You definitely have to try this recipe. It is perfect with soups. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this one. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.